Welcome to another episode of Give Me Some Maury, the podcast I do from my buddy's bedroom with the remnants of my half-eaten lunch still sitting in front of me. My guest this week has a new show on Netflix called Mating Season. It's about, let me put on my readers, dating and falling in love, but it's set in the animal world. Oh, that's a fun twist. Please welcome to the show, Ray Skidsky. You're muted, Ray. You're muted.
Oh, thanks. Sorry. I'm a little nervous because you're a legend.
Oh, that's very sweet of you to say.
Honestly, if it weren't for you, none of us would be in this business.
Oh, thanks, Ray. You know, kissing my ass is a huge part of coming on the pod, and clearly, producer Rick made that clear to your team.
You're the man, Maury.
Hey, Rick, do me a favor and eat the garbage parts of my lunch.
You got it, boss.
So, Ray, let's jump in, okay? I loved Big Mouth.
Oh, man, me too.
You know, to me, Maury, it's the perfect show.
Totally agree.
So why on God's flat earth would I watch Mating Season?
Well, it's very funny.
I'll be the judge of that.
And it's about sex.
Really? So like boobies and tushies and such?
But it's also got heart. You know, it's about finding love and being a good friend.
Hang on, Ray. Now I'm feeling something.
Exactly.
In my penis and in my heart.
Which is, of course, the clitoris of the soul.
That's what I always say.
Me too.
I understand you brought a little clip from Mating Season.
Yeah, so this is me and this very sexy skunk.
Okay.
We're going back to her place, and we're, gonna try to get to know each other a little bit.
Fantastic.
Oh, you gonna spray me?
You like that, you little freak?
Yeah, express your anal glands all over my goddamn pelt.
Oh!
Oh, shit.
You dirty bitch.
I fucking stink.
Get in me, Ray! Get in me!
Okay. Honestly, man, I am gonna watch this show. You know, normally I don't actually watch any of this stuff because I'm really just mainly into online gambling now.
Oh, that sounds...
That's a bad habit, brother.
Yeah, but I can't stop. It's a real problem.
Admitting you got a problem is the first step, brother.